APLD stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Applied Digital Corporation stock, 2.5% up is again something. Well, I've done more videos than anyone else in this YouTube space like this with more proof with 39,000 videos. You don't have to spend 5 figures on courses and mentors like I did, but last 4 trades on APLD have been 2 wins, 2 break-evens. All 4 were longs. Now this is more so looking to the sell side, but I'm not saying this is like this forever. Currently it's a bearish range, and only if the price shows me breaks above 645 with a full candle closing on the 1 hour to 4 hour chart, then I will count this as something potentially bullish. Again, I don't come out here to just kind of try and guess, right? I would rather stick to my edge because, you know, this is what I've tested for literally 40,000 videos. This is all I've documented on this YouTube channel. So using common factors analysis, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And by the way, I will continue to keep you up there. So there's like really nothing that I'm going to change. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.